Online data courses are everywhere right now. Some are very structured, well marketed, and yes, pretty expensive too. But the big question is, should you invest 80,000 to 2.5 lakhs? In this video, I'm going to share with you what these courses actually offer, what things to look out for, and most importantly, how you can analyze a course in detail before joining using a free tool I'll give you. Let's make sure your next step is a smart, clear, and right for you. So first, let's appreciate the positives because these courses can be life-changing for many learners. Here, what's great about them is that clear roadmap and learning path. They give you a full sequence from Excel to SQL to Power BI, Python projects in one place. You don't have to plan it yourself. What else? That they provide mentorship and doubt support. There are live sessions, there are group doubt sessions, which are basically super helpful, especially when you are stuck. Then they provide industry level projects. You will get real world projects like customer churn, revenue analysis, or HR dashboard, which help in portfolio building. They also provide assistance for resume building and interview preparation. Many courses help you refine your resume, prepare for mock interviews, and build your LinkedIn profile professionally. There is definitely motivating environment. When you are learning with a batch and weekly goals, it's easier to stay focused and accountable, right? Now let's talk about a few practical limitations that many learners face. Not to criticize, but to prepare better. See, they have high prices. These programs range from 80,000 to 2.5 lakhs. This is a big financial decision, so you must evaluate everything carefully. Then the second point is that placement is not magic. Many courses advertise 100% placement guarantee, but here's what you should know clearly and calmly, that yes, they do provide placement support, but it comes with conditions. First, you need to clear an internal screening test. Most of the courses platform are doing this. This could be a mock interview, a technical assessment, or a performance review at the end of your course. Only if you pass that, you are added to their placement pool or eligible for the job referrals. But here's the most important part, that even after clearing that test, placement is not guaranteed. It depends on many other factors: your communication, confidence in real interviews, the number of companies hiring in your location or domain, your background, your career gap, domain switch, etc., and your own job application efforts outside the platform. So it's great to take placement support as a boost, not a shortcut. Then the time commitment issue. They usually promise to complete the course, you will be job ready in 6 months, but in real cases, it's nothing like that. Then the generic content in some cases, sometimes the recorded content is not updated or goes too fast or slow. Always ask the sample classes before enrolling. Okay. Then pushy sales and marketing. Many companies offer discounts with urgency. Don't fall for pressure. Take your time to think and compare. Now, I want to give here one tip before you join any program. What you have to do is that go to LinkedIn. Search for people who have already done that course. Message them politely. Ask them, did the course meet your expectations? How was the placement process? Most of the people reply honestly, and you will get real insights that no ad will tell you. Now, in the end, question is whether you should join it or not. So, join if you are a beginner and need a structure. You value accountability and expert support. You have the budget and the time to invest. You want help with placement and soft skills. So whether to join the program or not, it's totally up to you. I have given the pros and cons of these learning platforms. And if you don't want to invest this huge amount of money, then there are affordable and free alternatives as well. You can learn absolutely free by searching some good channels on YouTube. And after getting the knowledge, see, the knowledge is everything, right? If you have the knowledge, then everything is done. What else we want, right? Now, after getting the knowledge, what you can do, you can go for the standard and recognized certifications like Google Data Analytics Certificate, Google Advanced Data Analytics Certificate. And there is one Tableau certification. It is available on Tableau official site. Okay, some IBM certifications. They are via a Coursera, but no issues. You can choose it. It is very affordable. And at the time of interview, what basically matters is your background, how smart you are, how knowledgeable you are. Certification is just a formality, guys. And very important thing is to make projects. As many as projects you can make, as many as hands-on you can practice. Do those things and highlight all the projects on your portfolio. This is the exclusive thing that you will do to get selected in any interview. So you can choose such courses if you know that you cannot study independently, you don't know how to do things, you are absolutely blank, then definitely you should join courses. But if you have some knowledge, or if you are enough smart, you can research, then you can choose this path also, that learn via YouTube or any free courses. Coursera courses also, even they are enough good. And then you can go for the standard certification program. So whether you go for a premium course or take the self-learning route, your success depends on one thing, your clarity and consistency. Don't compare your journey to others. Learn at your own pace. And if you ever feel confused, I am here to help. If you can comment in the comment section, I will definitely help you.